Hi, Vivian here again. Weekend 14, which is actually, I don't know, there's been a couple of weekends in between. I'm now going to start a new blog called The Case for Real Estate and Art. So now that I have my garage that I can do art in, I also have space to move my car into. So I have my car in here. And the reason why I have my car in here is because I got a letter from the HOA. Little did I know if I put a magnet about being a realtor on my car, it can't be parked outside. It has to be parked inside. So I can take the magnet off when I paint. So that's what I got to do. I need to get back into my art. But why do I say real estate and art? I'll tell you why, and you can read my blog. But because I needed space to make art, I ended up owning property. And that property has been the basis of me being able to have a retirement and live well. And, you know, pandemic or not, I'm lucky that I have this property in Jersey City. And I only have it because I bought it because I needed space to work and keep my artwork. So you will read all about that. And hopefully next time you'll see some painting going on or something creative. And I want to say that my blog for all up until the last one, 13th, the blog was written by Rona Recommends, and that'll be in my blog because she has edited and made it fun, and hopefully my writing will be even a semblance of what hers is. So bye for now, and we'll see you next weekend with some painting or creative thing. I might be actually just carving a pumpkin because that's something I'll tell you all about later. Bye.